Good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. So, on the previous video, I spoke about something called spread, and then we'll be looking at what spread is quickly, and then we'll see the little example of it on the MetaTrader app. So, what is spread? Basically, I made a little explanation of it in the previous video. So, if you've not watched it, then I'll put the link for that video under this one so you can watch it. So, what did we say is spread? We said spread uh, is the difference between the ask and sell price. So that is it simply. When I say this, all I'm trying to say is if I have one, mm, yep, 1.000 as my ask price, and then 0.9300 as my bid price. So this is the ask price here, and then this is the bid price. If I should minus the bidding price from the ask price, whatever it is that I get that is left, that is what is going to serve as my spread. So let's look at the MetaTrader. We're here in the MetaTrader app, right? And then if you look where this cursor is at this point where it is circling, you would you would notice that there is a number 19 there, and then if you also look at euro AUD, you would realize that there is a number 34 there, and then here 22. All this number is trying to tell you is that the difference between both of these price, the difference between the ask the ask and the bid is 22 pips. So what is pips? Pips is the unit of measurement for trading. You know, when you did your mathematics and then physics, chemistry, you had unit of measurements, millimeter mercury, you had length, you had meters, you had centimeters, and the rest. So pips is the representative, just like centimeters, but then this one is represented as pips. No, okay. So this little numbers here are the spread. So this app made it easier. You don't have to calculate all of these things on your own. It's just so you could know what these numbers are there for. So the spread on GBP is 22, this is 34, and then this is 19. That's just it, the difference between these two prices. So now a typical example, let's see. So now all I'm trying to say is that this gap that you're seeing in between this red line and this green line here is that the space in between it is 34 pips. That's just what spread does. Spread just tells you the gap in between, the distance between the selling and the buying price. Simple. That's just it. And then, yeah, basically that's it. If you don't understand, please do well to type in the comment section. I would address it better. But this is simply what spread is. So next up, we'll be looking at currency pairs. Stay active, subscribe, and then turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop the currency pairs video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.